Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to solve LeetCode first problem, which is 2sum. This was asked in Facebook. Okay, so what does it say? Given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to specific target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, they have given an example of given nums is 2, 7, 11 and 15. This is the array of containing 4 numbers. Okay, and target is 9. They have given the target is equal to 9. As 2 plus 7 is equal to the target, that is 9, 0 and 1 is written. 0 and 1 are the positions of their elements. Okay, 0th position is 2 and 1st position is 7. As it contains 2 plus 7 equal to 9, so 0 and 1 is written. Okay, basically we have to compare all the elements with others. Okay, they have given a restriction that you may not use the same element. This target, if this target is equal to the 4 and 2 plus 2 is also 4, then 0 will be written. So in this case it will false. Okay, so two numbers must be written, so we don't have to check the number by itself. Okay, so let's jump to code. Let's come to this. I have declared two variables int ij for two loops. Okay, first loop will check the outer side and each element will be compared by others in this loop. Okay, so we have to check the condition. If nums of I plus nums of j is equal to the target, if it is so, then array of 0, the array which we have to declare an array, as I have declared here. I will tell you this part later on. Okay, so array of 0 is equal to the I, which is the first position, first element, and array of 1 is equal to the j, which is second element, and return me the array. If this fails, then what will happen? Then we have to something past elements. Okay, so array of 0 is equal to the -1 and array of 1 equal to the -1. If array of 0, if -1 and -1 will be returned, so we can say that no numbers add up to match target. Okay, so and return me the array. So if we try to run this, okay, the output is accepted, that is 0 and 1 is written. But just make it smaller. Why I have done this? Because okay, it is asking for, it is in 2sum is the pointer to function, nums is the function to which we have to deal, num size is the size of this nums array. Okay, target is the target and return size is the return size of return array. So why this is given? This is given to reduce the size of an array. We know that the size of the array must be 2. The size of the array which we are returning is equal to 2 only. Okay, it should not be equal to 1 and it should not be equal to 3. Okay, so pointer of return size is equal to the 2. Pointer, when we try asterisk sign to a variable, then it means its value is equal to the 2. And why we are using malloc, and they have given note also, the returned array must be malloc, assume caller calls free. Why we did that? Because when we try to run this code, okay, I am not running this code. When we are not doing this, okay, return size equal to the size, when we declare this array as it is, it will take more memory space. To reduce the memory space, we have to do this operation. Okay, it is a malloc is a special function in C with which we can reduce the size of an array. Okay, so this is the code. When we try to run this, okay, it is accepted. We can change the test case also. We can do this for 1. Okay, and target is equal to 5. Okay, we can 15 plus 4 90. We can save and we can run the code again. Boom guys, it is accepted. 0 and 0 1 2 3 0 and 3 is written. Okay, so this is the code. Thank you.